There are many different types of studies that a research ethics board might review. Some are therapeutic, while others might be observational or of a social behavioral nature. Therapeutic trials are a way of testing new methods of diagnosing, treating, or preventing health conditions. Therapeutic trials are commonly classified by the following 4 types. Phase 1 trials. This is the first time a new treatment is tested in humans. It usually involves only a small number of healthy volunteers, and the primary purpose is to ensure that the treatment presents no major safety issues. Phase 2 trials involve a larger group of people and most often include patients who have the condition that the drug or device is targeting. The researchers are looking at the effectiveness of treating the condition and the appropriate dosing levels. Often during this phase, the performance of the studied drug is compared between 2 groups, one who received the active drug and the other who receive a placebo. A placebo is a treatment that looks the same as the potential new drug, but has no active ingredients. Phase 3 trials are trials involving a much larger population and often take place in more locations and even in different countries. Researchers are looking to demonstrate the safety and efficacy on a broad range of individuals, confirm effective dosing levels, identify any side effects, and compare the results to any currently used treatments. Phase 3 trials can last several years, and if the results are positive, the researchers and/or sponsors may seek regulatory approval to market the drug. Phase 4 trials are post-marketing trials that are done to monitor the drug's long-term effects. Many clinical trials have data safety monitoring boards, or DSMBs, that are independent of the sponsor, investigator, and the REB, and are comprised of individuals with the relevant scientific, ethical, and/or community expertise to oversee the data and procedures of a trial. They also pay close attention to the safety and validity of the data. The work of the REB does not stop with initial approval. Throughout the course of a study, researchers are required to submit continuing review reports at minimum annually to the REB, as well as report any serious adverse events in a timely manner. Many REBs have processes in place to monitor higher risk studies on a more frequent basis.